We had ash trees on the quad that were diseased with emerald ash borer that actually it started to become an unsafe condition. So that really was a driver to why we had to do it right now. This is such an important area of the campus. It's our front door. Majority of people that come into the campus come in through our main entrance, and this is their first impression of Bentley. So we wanted to make this look good, but also be inviting to the overall Bentley community so they feel comfortable coming out, sitting, and enjoying the space.
It looks very clean, it looks very elegant, I think. I was showing my friend Lynn around the campus the first time. She's been a graduate student for a whole year, but this is her first time on campus. And I'm so glad that it's fully done because it looks very new and that you belong here on campus.
The iconic view is obviously up to the library and that steeple. And we wanted to maintain that when we looked at the overall design.
Yeah, it's definitely a popular spot for students to hang out on campus. It's a beautiful, very Instagrammable view of the library, and obviously a lot of prospective students, admitted students come to look at Bentley, and this is the best spot that they want to see.
So we planted 8 new trees out here that would make this space work and functional. And so we have a variety here. We have 2 sunset maples, which will turn bright red in the fall. There's an ironwood tree, a katsura tree, 2 more ironwoods, which those will turn really vibrant yellow in the fall. So there's a lot of contrast in colors.
I think now we've recreated a collegiate quad, something that people want to go to. It's important that it looks beautiful on day 1, but we want it to look just as beautiful in year 5 and year 10.